Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. You ever looking for a snack and you're tired of all those super sweet treats that they offer you? Well, me too. So, this week I found something that's a little bit healthier for you. I call it my homemade energy bar. Come follow me along this video, I'll show you how we do it. My God, what did you eat? Okay, we're going to start by frying some powdered milk over some medium heat. Just keep moving it around until it turns nice and golden brown like you see in the picture. Now we're going to put this into a blender, blend it into a powder. That looks good. Now we're going to add half a cup of peanuts to the blender, blend that all together. Pour those contents into a mixing bowl. Stir it around a little bit. 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix that all together. Put this mixture onto some saran and form it into a bar. Fold it up, put it on a plate, into a freezer for about half an hour. After half an hour, we're going to melt 1/4 cup of dark chocolate. Add 4 teaspoons of milk to the dark chocolate. Mix that all together. Now it's time to coat your bar with some chocolate. And it looks like that when it's done. Put it back in the refrigerator for about half an hour to cool up and set up. After half an hour, bring it out. Cut it into bars. There you go, folks. Ready to eat. Enjoy. Nice treat. Take one yourself. You'll love them. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. And always remember to thank our Creator, from whom all blessings flow. To God be the glory.